Sugar sheets make a beautiful and unique addition to any cake. Knowing how to make sugar sheets edible decorating paper will take your cake decorating skills to the next level. They provide an elegant look, giving your cakes a professional look. This recipe is more advanced, as it takes several steps to get it just right, and the sheets are fragile. However, by carefully following the directions, you can create some beautiful edible sugar sheets for cakes. This will make for some true show-stopping cakes, great for any special event. What is edible sugar paper for cake decorating? Edible sugar sheets allow you to cut out different shapes and designs for decorating cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. You can also color them, or even transfer images on them as well. It is a simple and effective way to decorate your baked goods. What you need to follow these instructions. Ingredients: 60 grams corn syrup, 1 teaspoon Tylose powder, 200 grams superfine sugar, 1 to 3 drops gel food coloring, cooking spray or oil. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Carefully weigh out the corn syrup and sugar using a kitchen scale. Measure out the Tylose powder. Step 2. In a large bowl, use a sifter to combine the sugar and Tylose powder. This will ensure that the ingredients thoroughly combine. Step 3. Add your choice of gel food coloring to the corn syrup. Use a spoon or whisk to thoroughly blend the two. Step 4. Mix all the ingredients in a large bowl using a rubber spatula. Make sure all the color is evenly dispersed. Step 5. Lightly grease your silicone mat with cooking spray or a neutral tasting oil. Add your separators, if desired, and begin rolling out the sugar paper. Step 6. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the sugar paper into the shape you would like for your cake decorations. If desired, add any additional coloring or designs you want to the sheet. Step 7. Allow the sheets to dry at room temperature overnight, or for 6 to 12 hours. Drying time will vary based on the humidity. The more humid your house, the longer it will take to dry. Step 8. Carefully add the sheets to your frosted cake. If you are having problems with the design sticking, lightly mist the frosting. Slightly wet frosting will help the sheets stick better. Tips and tricks. The sheets can be kept at room temperature for 1 to 3 months. Store the sheets in an airtight container. When ready to use, simply add them to your baked goods. Sugar sheets should not be kept in the fridge or freezer. Cold air will cause them to wilt and fall apart, making them unusable. In addition, heat will cause the sheets to melt or wilt. It is best to keep them in temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The sugar sheets are fragile, so be careful when working with them. You can make them any color you like, or even make them multicolored if you like. Alternatively, you can also leave it white and draw on it with edible markers. If you don't have any silicone baking mats, you can use parchment paper instead. The parchment paper will work just as well as the silicone mats. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.